Growing cells is the most manual and painful process in biotech today, and it holds the entire industry back. By automating that process, we can accelerate the development of every new cure that's out there today, and ultimately get those cures to patients more quickly.
There's no denying that the problem we're solving really sits at the foundation of all of the most important innovations that are going to be happening in this century of biology.
In 5 years' time, for example, I want for us to not think about cell culture as like, oh, this is a human process that we're going to automate. It's like, it makes no sense for cells to be grown by humans.
I think the thing that's quite special about Mytos is that we have an incredibly meaningful mission paired with just both an incredible depth and an incredible breadth of technical challenges.
We all can do brilliant things, and you're a really high performing individual. It's all about choosing something that has meaning and has impact. And I think Mytos ticks that box in terms of impact.
We sit at this interesting intersection where we're applying cutting edge hardware and software, techniques and technology, and bringing that together under this context of biology.
Yeah, so right now is a century of biology, where biology goes from being a science to an engineering discipline. Mytos is at the forefront of that, where we've brought together some of the best biologists, some of the best hardware engineers, software engineers, to work together to build tools to engineer biology.
We have people from multiple disciplines. We have people from different cultures, from different countries, and I think that's what makes us unique.
We have a lot of freedom to think. It's not like we're confined to our expertise. We're free to learn from our colleagues.
So what makes us move fast at Mytos is the fact that we hire really smart people and then give them the autonomy and context to make decisions by themselves.
We get people that are so knowledgeable and so experts in the field that essentially you get cross-pollination of ideas, and that's something really valuable to me and I think to other people on the team.
That kind of dynamic range of different skill sets required means that there's never a dull day.
If Mytos was a person, he or she, they would be driven, curious,
Low ego, but high achieving.
Good first principles thinkers.
Courteous and respectful.
But above all, they'd be kind.
Socially, great conversation.
We always have lunch together at 12:30, and it has to be 12:30.
What time is lunchtime?
12:30 every day.
Not 12:33, 12:34.
I mean, sometimes 12:28.
One of the things we have here, which in my lived experience is a bit different, is just how close everyone is to one another.
Everyone feels that they belong to this company and that the company is part of them.
I think one of the things that I like the most about working at Mytos is that we really believe that great ideas can come from everyone.
And ultimately, the solutions that get built here, not the solutions that I come up with or Ignacio comes up with, they're the solutions that the team come up with.
Now really is one of the most exciting times in the history of the company, potentially ever.
You're given the opportunity to learn more and develop faster than you can really anywhere else.
I think our technology would enable the discovery of more treatments and therapies and drugs in the next 20 years than what has been achieved in the last 200 years.